Oh, today we're gonna have a lot of fun in this video. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. A lot of people keep looking to buy like best gaming monitors on budget, right? Around 10,000 rupees or maybe around like 15,000 rupees. So I have ordered two gaming monitors, guys. One is a 24-inch variant and the other is a 27-inch variant. And today in the house we got the 27-inch gaming monitor delivered. This is from Gigabyte. It's their all new model 2024 variant, guys. It's called as the GS27F and has like killer features for the price point, guys. 27-inch gaming monitor comes with like 1080p resolution and like a really high 165 Hz native refresh rate, which you can OC up to 170 Hz as well. And not only that, you're also getting like super speed IPS panel with 1 millisecond response time and AMD FreeSync premium support as well. Plenty of other features which we'll be talking about in this video, and as I've told you guys, very affordable, I would say. So this is what we'll be checking out. What are we waiting for? Let's get started with the video. To be honest, there is nothing much to unbox over here. Our brand new gaming monitor came in this sort of box packaging. You just have the model mentioned over here and a couple of its specs and highlights. So as soon as you open it, right, there you go, our brand new gaming monitor. And along with that, you also get some accessories which include a mains cord. Monitor already comes with a built-in power supply. That's a good thing. And along with that, you're also getting a free HDMI cable included. This is your monitor stand. And lastly, some documents. So that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you like a closer look at the monitor and first talk about the design and build quality part. Gigabyte's GS27F is a 27 inches 1080p 165 Hz IPS gaming monitor, and here's how it looks like. Initial impressions, gaming monitor actually looks pretty good, right? It might have like simple sort of looks but definitely looks modern. You're getting a three-sided narrow bezel design, and on the bottom side you do have a little bit of chin. Here you have a Gigabyte logo followed by gaming text on the stand, and let me tell you, setting up this monitor was a walk in the park, guys. Very simple, completely toolless design. You don't even need a screwdriver to install the stand on this gaming monitor. Take this bottom base and fix it to the neck using this thumb screw and simply install the stand to the back of the monitor and click. That's it. It automatically installs over here and you don't need to do anything else. You're all good to go with your brand new gaming monitor. And having a side profile, not bad, right? It actually looks quite slim for an affordable category 27 inches gaming monitor. And here's how the back profile of the monitor looks like. As I've told you guys, very simple yet modern looking design. You just have the Gigabyte logo mentioned at the top side and a couple of vents for air circulation. Even the build quality is good. Entire body is made of polycarbonate material, definitely feels solid and durable and has a nice hammer paint sort of texture. Let me give you like a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports on this monitor. You're getting two HDMI ports, one DP port is available, a headphone jack is also there, and not to miss out, on the other side you're getting your mains cord port. So guys, I didn't find any USB ports over here, so USB hub is missing on this model. And apart from that, if you're wondering where are the buttons and controls, well, the monitor only has one 4-way navigational joystick at the center bottom part over here, and using this you can fully access the OSD menu and adjust a lot of things. We'll come there and talk about that in a moment. Wait a second, I haven't told you about the adjustability, right? Unfortunately, we don't have full range of motion over here. It only supports tilt angle adjustment, but yes, the monitor is wall mountable. So before we get to the display and talk about the picture quality, first of all, let me show you the monitor's OSD menu and talk about all the gaming related features you're getting. And the monitor also supports a special software known as OSD Sidekick. Once you install that, you can completely control all these settings using your peripherals, mouse and keyboard. Very handy, I would say. If you talk about the picture modes, plenty of picture modes are there, like standard, gaming, sRGB mode is also there for getting more accurate looking colors out of the box, useful for creative sort of applications. Keeping that aside, here's how the main OSD menu looks like. Gives you a quick glance at all the current specifications, like the resolution is 1080p, refresh rate is 165 Hz, overdrive is also turned on, and FreeSync premium support is also there. Here you can access a lot of gaming related features. Monitor does support something known as game assist category, where you're getting like timer feature, crosshair support is also there, and black aim stabilizer as well to give you more detail in the low light and dark areas. Apart from that, if you go to the picture settings, right, in each individual picture mode you can easily adjust the brightness, contrast, color level, temperature, and even toggle low blue light filter as well. And lastly, going to the system settings, here you can toggle between OC mode, overdrive, and also some general monitor settings. So that was our complete overview on the OSD menu. Keeping that aside, now let's get on to the actual part, guys. How is the display quality of this monitor? At the beginning, as I've told you, it's a 27-inch variant native 1080p gaming monitor and comes with a super speed IPS panel, and that too with up to 165Hz native refresh rate. So initially, I was a bit skeptical because it's a 27-inch gaming monitor with all of these specs at an affordable price point, but nothing like that. Gigabyte has done a really good job and used a high quality panel over here. You're getting good amount of detail, like 1080p resolution at 27 inches does a good job, and no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be like YouTube videos or even movies or any sort of web shows as well, right? All the text is like easily readable even on websites. And coming to the colors, you're getting a super speed IPS panel with up to 105% sRGB color gamut range, though there is no delta I value mentioned anywhere even on the website, but based on my experience and testing, panel was definitely doing a good job and producing beautiful looking colors. It is not factory color calibrated, so you might not get pinpoint accurate looking colors, but hey, for day-to-day sort of usage, you won't even notice the difference. It's great for gaming and also casual usage. And talking about the contrast, the monitor has around like 1000:1 contrast ratio. Now you people know, right, IPS panels do not have that good contrast levels, and it was kind of mediocre, I would say. And black levels, black uniformity was alright for this price point. Coming to the brightness, it can go up to like 300 nits of brightness and is like more than enough for your day-to-day gaming or normal sort of usage. And not to miss out the viewing angles, again it's an IPS panel, so obviously you're getting like wide viewing angles, 178-degree wide viewing angles, and picture looks the same no matter from which angle you are viewing. And one thing you might ask is, does the monitor have like speakers? No, it doesn't come with built-in speakers. Alright, now comes the main part. How is the gaming performance over here? First of all, for this price point, you're getting a big 27 inches 1080p display with a very high native refresh rate of up to 165Hz, and with OC you can even go up to like 170Hz. Plus, not to miss out that it's a super fast panel with up to 1 millisecond response time and supports AMD FreeSync Premium as well. That means you're getting both LFC and also low latency on board. Are you kidding me? You people know, right? Having high refresh rate and low response times are like quite essential for a smooth gaming experience. And not only that, they also minimize the motion blur and keep the ghosting effects as low as possible. By the way, we spoke about the response time, right? That is MPRT, not G2G. G2G response time of this particular model is somewhere around 4.5 to 5 millisecond. Just have a look at these gameplay shots, you'll get an idea on the display quality of the monitor. Holy moly, gaming with Gigabyte's GS27F feels absolutely bliss for the price point. I mean, look at that FPS, guys. Buttery smooth experience. I've played like a couple of games over here and was quite impressed with the gaming performance. 165Hz is crazy, guys. Especially if you're upgrading from a normal 60Hz monitor, right? You will be going nuts. That is what I can say. Well, that's it. Our video on Gigabyte's all new GS27F. It's a great 27 inches 1080p 165Hz gaming monitor for the price point. Especially the kind of gaming features Gigabyte is offering, right? Paisa vasool, I would say. Only a few things if I had to nitpick is, monitor doesn't have built-in speakers, so you'll have to buy them separately, and wish it offered a little bit more flexibility and adjustability. But apart from that, everything else was fine. It costs around 15,000 rupees in the Indian market. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got complete information. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.